So here we have a very basic solar power system. So on the roof there are a few panels. I believe there are 5 panels on the roof. And the electricity from those panels come down to the isolation, which says solar, and then into the inverter, which is the red thing with SMA written on it. That then converts the 12 volt electricity into 240, which is counted by the sub meter here, the generation meter, down on the bottom right. The electricity then is passed to within the flat, and that it can be then used. So it's difficult to realise how much you can use before you start dipping into your paid electricity. But what it does is it just reduces the amount of electricity that you're using, and then if you're not using any, it then gets exported back to the grid. So at the top you can see the 5 panels which are 175 watts. Those panels then feed through the isolator into the inverter, which is a Sunny Boy SMA 1100. Then that goes to the AC isolator and to the export meter, the generation meter, and then it goes to the fuse board, and then from the fuse board it can be used within the home and then also sent to the export meter if it's not being used. Let's go and have a look at the distribution board. So here on the distribution board there's the solar. So that's up, so now we can receive electricity from the inverter and send it to the rest of the house. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.